People always say just to relax. But honestly, I didn't know how. I always tell myself to go to bed earlier tonight, but I never made it. And I was so tired. Until one day, my yoga teacher guided me to relax on one side and the other side. And I feel much better. So I want to share this practice with you. I hope it also can help you too. Gently close your eyes. Inviting yourself to sit here, being with yourself. Bring your attention to the area just below your navel. Take a slow, deep breath. Let your body arrive here. Notice your body, your mind, exactly as it is. There's nothing to change, nothing to fix. Just notice. Now slowly lift your right hand. Let your index and middle fingers rest softly against your palm. Using your ring finger to gently close your left nostril. We'll do this together 7 times. Inhale to the right and exhale to the right. 1. Inhale right. Exhale right. 2. Inhale right. Exhale right. 3. Inhale right. Exhale right. 4. Inhale right. Exhale right. 5. Inhale right. Exhale right. 6. Inhale right. Exhale right. 7. Inhale deeply until there's no air can come in. And exhale until there's no air left. Now lower your hand, no pushing, no rushing. Return to your natural breath. Feel the right side of your body, the right side of your mind. Just notice the difference. Now once again, slowly lift your right hand. Let your fingers soften inward. This time, use your thumb to close the right nostril. We'll do this 7 times as well. 1. Inhale left. Exhale left. 2. Inhale left. Exhale left. Three. Inhale left. Exhale left. 4. Inhale left. Exhale left. 5. Inhale left. Exhale left. 6. Inhale left. Exhale left. 7. Inhale deeply until there's no air can come in. And exhale until there's no air left. Now gently put down your right hand. Just feel the left side of your body, the left side of your mind. Noticing how different. Just noticing. And we come back to natural breath. You may stay here for a few moments. Just enjoy breathing. Sometimes when the soil has been dried for so long, it is hard for water to get in. It is the same as our mind. When we're occupied by so many thoughts, emotions, the water of awareness and the love is hard to get in. So when we practice breathing like this, simple meditation, we are softening our inner soil and we are watering our inner garden. Like the plant was finally well watered. When we get enough rest and we can relax. Good night. Have a sweet dream.